Hey guys, my name is Megan McNally. I am a naturopath and I want to show you how to use my very favorite hair tool called the TrueScience Hair Serum. And for probably those of you watching, you're already using the shampoo and conditioner, and I want to tell you why I love this hair serum and how I use it, a really quick application method that's probably quicker than what you've been doing. It only takes me a minute. You may be able to do it faster than me. But the reason I really love it is because previous to learning about this hair set, I was using some natural stuff, but it was not working at all. It had healthy ingredients, but it was making my scalp super sticky. My hair was falling out in big clumps every single hour, big handfuls. It was really dry. I had a lot of split ends and breakage, frizz. It just was not healthy. But when I switched to just the shampoo and conditioner, I was not using the hair serum yet. And though I did get benefits, a lot of the benefits actually started once I started using this. And I started out using it about every day or so, and now I only use it about 3 times a week. But it helped my hair to stop falling out, brought back natural shine and color, helped it be more soft and not so dry and brittle, and I don't have split ends anymore. I've actually gone 6 months now and haven't cut my hair, and I will be cutting it this week, but it has made such a difference in my hair health. So for both men and women, we experience premature aging and oxidative stress, where a lot of toxins are hitting the cells in our scalp too hard and causing too many issues early on that we shouldn't be experiencing. And those cells in our scalp actually govern the hair health and quality that each one of us has. So instead of just using healthy ingredients to support the hair health, we're actually using something that's herbal that actually increases the cell's own ability to take care of itself. So not just supporting, but activating the cell's natural ability to take care of the hair health, govern all those oil levels and natural and premature aging and different issues that you may have in your hair. So this is how I use it. Take the cap off. Okay, so I use the tip. It has a very small tip and I put it directly to the scalp. It doesn't take much of the serum at all. Very small amounts. If you feel like your hair is too oily after you use it, for really oily hair types, you can use less, or you can use it the night before you shower. If you shower in the morning, just see what works well for you, but it will help naturally balance the oil levels if you have too much oil or not enough oil. But I just put it directly to the scalp and slide down. And I just barely push on the bottle. Do the other side. And then the underside, you probably can't see. Okay, and then just a little bit in the back because that's where a lot of the hair health is at. And then rub it in. Spread it around the best you possibly can. And each time you do it, you can put it in different places, whatever works best for you. Just rub it in real nice. Okay, so that is all. So I apply it dry. Some people have been applying it wet, and I just struggled because my hair is so long. I couldn't part my hair and get it in all the right places very easily, and it was sticking to the hair more. So when I apply it dry, I can actually feel where it is and spread it around much quicker and faster than when my hair is wet. So that's a quick tip of how to use the hair serum. I hope that you give it a try and use it for the rest of your life. Honestly, it is the best thing I have ever tried. Wasted so much money on so many different products that did not work, that were natural, and this TrueScience hair set is absolutely the best. So anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching and hope that tip was helpful.